Hello everyone, I'm Bhavi. Thank you for clicking on this video, and in today's video I'll talk about me and my sexuality. Now I know this topic is weird and a little uncomfortable for some people, especially if you're a homophobic person. If you're not homophobic, that's okay, but if you are, then you will be a very uncomfortable person throughout this video. So don't watch it. Scroll down, don't put any hate. But what can you do instead of putting a lot of hate unnecessarily, wasting your energy? You can just scroll down and be happy, live your life on your own terms, fuck off respectfully. But if you are not a homophobic person, if you are from LGBTQ, if you are a good person in general, then yes, this video is for you. And this video is about my sexuality, will be uncomfortable for me as well. But let's talk about it. So I'm bisexual. Yes, I came out just right now to all of you guys because my parents don't know about it, my friends don't know about it. I don't have a lot of friends, but let's say I have few friends that they're not familiar with this, that I'm bisexual. My parents don't know that I'm bisexual, and I have tried telling them this, but they don't believe me. They think I'm pulling a prank on them, which is absurd because why would I do that? It is not something that I'm doing just for the sake of it or deliberately or intentionally. I'm doing it because it's natural. It happened to me naturally. And yes, I'm bisexual. And those of you who do not know the meaning of someone who is bisexual, let me tell you, a person who has romantic feelings, sexual feelings, emotional feelings towards men and women both. Men can be bisexual too, and women can be bisexual too. Apparently, in my life, I have met a lot of women, and most of the women I have met are bi curious but not bisexual. And why I'm saying this randomly, because I have met people and they always say this thing that every woman is bisexual. Not every woman is bisexual, because women can be bi curious, because women are gorgeous. Like, they're very beautiful. Just look at Aishwarya Rai, just look at Deepika Padukone, just look at Kate Winslet, and you just look at these women. Taylor Swift, I love her so much. Sabrina Carpenter, these women are just gorgeous. Lady Gaga, there are a lot of women I know, the celebrities. A friend of mine, let's call her Sia, she's a really beautiful woman. I respect her truly. She's straight, but I love her so much, respectfully again. I don't have romantic feelings for her because she's a really good friend of mine, but again, she is just so beautiful. So I'm just telling you guys that women can be very beautiful. Even I have met a lot of women and they are bi curious, because if you look at a woman, how can you not love her? Like, if you look at any woman in general, and you have to admire her because her beauty is admirable. You cannot resist yourself. Men can't, women can't, nobody can. Women are goddesses. I'm a goddess, you're a goddess, everyone is a goddess. Maybe some goddess you meet in your life is a bitch. I have met bitchy women as well. They badmouth about you behind your back. I'm not saying all women are good, but neither all men are good. All men are not bad. Again, so I'm not gonna generalize, but if you have met a bad woman in life and you think all women are bad, out of context, I know, but they're not, honey. Relax, they're not. Yes, there are some bad people, and I'm not gonna say bad women, bad men, bad boys, bad girls, because people can be bad in general. People have a lot of sides. I could be good with you, I could be bad with someone else, could be rude with someone else, could be nice with you. Yes, I am talking a lot. I'm sorry, I'm so loquacious. Sorry for that. Well, let's talk about my sexuality. When did I get to know that I am bisexual? And these are the questions that I have been asked in my life before. So I'm going to be answering all these questions for you all. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. So, when did I realize that I'm bisexual? Now, this is my coffee, by the way. So, this question was asked to me by a lot of people. People badger me with this. And the answer of this beautiful question is a backstory. I was in ninth standard. I saw a woman. Let's call her Ria. Ria was a beautiful woman. I got feelings for her, and I had internet access. And with that internet access, in the library, what did I do? I searched on Google that I have romantic feelings for someone. So much so that I can't live without her. I can't tell her that because she is straight. Apparently, I knew the concept of LGBTQ, so I knew that maybe I could be bisexual, I could be lesbian, but I also have feelings for a guy. So, what am I exactly? And when I searched it on Google, I got to know that I am a bi girl. I am a bisexual woman. And ever since I started having feelings for a lot of women around me, I felt an attraction towards them, not just emotional, not just mental, sexual. I wanted to hug them, I wanted to feel their warmth, their kisses, their hugs, and I realized that this is not normal. I am not seeing them in a sisterhood way, honey. I am fucking bisexual. And I realized this, and of course I knew the concept of it already because social media was there. It was 2019, and I think, or 2018, I don't remember that much, but social media was there. So we can ask someone, you can search it on Google. There were a lot of technologies, a lot of social apps available, so you can search it. It was not like 1990 की बात है और सब कुछ है ही नहीं, बस सोशल मीडिया है ही नहीं, ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. There were internet access, there were technologies, there were a lot of apps. Instagram, I think TikTok was banned, but I think Instagram tha, Snapchat tha, and a lot of friends I had at that time, the friends from Delhi. I had a senior, I talked to her as well, and I got to know that I am so fucking bisexual that I can't resist a woman's beauty. Of course, not all women, just like I'm straight, but I don't have feelings for all the guys, of course. So that's also for the bisexual women, that I am bisexual, but I don't have feelings for all the women out there. I respect them, I love them more than men, but again, just like you're a straight woman and you don't have feelings for every guy you see on the street. So yeah, and always you don't have sexual feelings like for your best friend. You don't might not have sexual feelings for your best friend. So yeah, so it goes for me as well, that even though I'm bisexual, I have feelings for someone in a certain way, and maybe to the next woman I don't have those feelings. Maybe she's a friend of mine, maybe she's my sister, maybe she's just like my sister, or maybe she's just a person that I respect and I know her. So that is why I always tell this to people. That just like you're a straight person, you don't have feelings for every person you see from the opposite gender. It goes for me as well. So you can't just generalize. And I also tell them that maybe I'm from LGBTQ category, I'm from that community, but it doesn't mean that I hate straight people. So I have been getting all these absurd questions that, do you hate straight people now? Because again, I was telling myself a lot that I'm straight, but I was not straight. I could never be straight. I knew that, but I have been hiding this for my entire life. My parents, even to myself, sometimes they lie. Am I bisexual? Am I straight? I always get confused, but I'm so fucking bi, which is great. I'm happy. And I came out to this YouTube video. I did not come out to anyone yet, which is great because I'm so much comfortable with you all. I'm so much comfortable with this topic in front of the camera and not in real life. I'm happy. So yeah, these questions were asked to me a lot. There was another question that was asked to me, that do you have only the sexual feelings and not anything else, not any other kind of feelings? And I always again tell them that no, it is not always like that. Like for a person, you are straight, to the opposite gender, you have feelings, but maybe you do not have sexual feelings. Maybe you have different kinds of feelings. Maybe you want to hug that person, know that person better. So when people think about LGBTQ, they only think about the sexual aspect of LGBTQ because of so much con addiction, so much addiction because of, I don't want to say that word because I don't know what YouTube will do to my video. So I just don't want to say that word, but I'll call it con. So a lot of con videos and lesbian sex videos and gay sex videos, and people just think that it's all sexual. It's not. I don't get sexual at all with women without their consent, and I just respect them, and I just like to know them better. I'm not like men that I only have sexual feelings for a woman. I'm not that shallow, honey. So, and not every person in LGBTQ is that. It is definitely because of the way you see them. And yes, you are the problem. They're not the problem. So when you sexualize a person who's from LGBTQ community, it is not them, it is you, honey. So just try to change yourself and just fucking disgusting mind that you have. Try to change that and then try to be a better person. If you can't be a better person, just let it be. It's okay. Also, this video is my um like a personal video. It's something that I've not been very confident with, very hesitant. I'm not very comfortable with this topic, so you can sense the nervousness in my voice. uh, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching it. If you have any questions, let me know. Love you.